Blue World City Player of the Series trophy and cash award of PKR 500,000 to Mehdi Hasan Miraz. Once again, he will make his way up to an applause by his teammates. We will be talking to him. Player of the Series, 155 runs, top score of 78 at an average of 77.5. 10 wickets in the series, a fifer in that first innings. Can we please have a word with you? Yeah, the mic will make its way as well. Here we go. Fantastic series. Personally, how much are you enjoying and relishing this opportunity as a complete all-rounder?
Alhamdulillah, first of all, I would like to thank our Allah, and He gave me a good opportunity, and Alhamdulillah, and I'm really happy. This is the first time out of country in Man of the Series, so I'm really happy.
Now, picking up wickets, but not just that, the responsibility with the bat at number 8, not easy. How do you prepare for that?
Yeah, definitely, it's a tough job. The 8-number batting, so it will be very tough, but I'm just trying to strike rotate and support the opening batsman, like I got a partnership Mushi and Liton Das. I'm really enjoy myself batting with him.
Now you go on to become the only 10th bowler to pick up a first 5-wicket haul in the first innings as a spinner in Pakistan. You must have enjoyed that one.
Yeah, definitely. I'm really happy because you know here it's been difficult to bowl on spin. I got 5 wickets, so it's good moment for me, and hopefully inshallah next I'll try to more better.
Well, the T20 World Cup, you were practicing. How much did that come into, and how much being left out the side does motivate you to come out and deliver such a fantastic performance?
Yeah, definitely. I didn't play in T20 World Cup. At that time, I go back home, and I have 5 months in our hands. So definitely, our goes to credit our back home, our team management. There are lots of supporting, and there are lots of hard working, and definitely goes to credit them. And I'm enjoy a lot when you're practicing in our country.
A word on your group? And they've been phenomenal.
Yeah, definitely. The guys are very happy about my performance, and they guys are very supporting me, and I'm really happy. And this moment, I never forget that this moment.
It's been lovely watching. Once again, congratulations and
thank
good
you.
luck.
Can I say Bangla?
Sure, please. By all means, there's the camera.
Alhamdulillah, আমি ফার্স্ট টাইম ম্যান অফ দ্য সিরিজ হয়েছি বাইরে, আর আমাদের জানেন যে রিসেন্টলি বাংলাদেশে একটু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে। আমি এই ম্যান অফ দ্য সিরিজটা আমি ছাত্র যে বৈষম্য ছাত্র বিরোধী আন্দোলনে যারা শহীদ হয়েছেন, এবং ওখানে একজন রিক্সা চালক আহত হয়েছিলেন এবং তিনি মারা গিয়েছেন, এবং তার পরিবারকে আমি এই গিফটটা আমি দিতে চাই তাদের উদ্দেশ্যে।
থ্যাঙ্কস মেরি, থ্যাঙ্কস।